Yeah, so we've swung over the coast for a few days, treated ourselves to a chopper, and we head to the tops. Goal's to try and find cameras for a chamois, hopefully. Looking for a good buck ideally, but see how we go.
What do you think about that, Pete?
Fucking unreal. That's loose, eh?
Not bad country in
That
here.
was a good chamois we saw on the way out too.
I didn't see it, hey?
He was just down at the creek. How'd you go?
Saw one.
Did you? What is that? Same one?
Might have been, yeah.
Nice. Parked up, just left the tent. Getting into a bit of glassing and just found our first chamois way down here. It's by itself, so it's promising. Will's just gonna slap the spotter on it now and have a look, but where else would you rather be? Like, beautiful up here. It's been a bloody sunny day. I don't know if, yeah, 10 lines on. How? Oh dear.
Nothing wrong with it. It's good for you. Vitamin D.
Sizzled. I'd love to see a woolly bully.
Big shaggy bugger.
He's all right. Enough of that. See that sham in the bottom right there? So it's got plenty of height above the ears and it's quite wide, but we had the spotter on him and he doesn't come down enough. Thinking probably 9 inches, 9-inch bracket, but not quite big enough.
Have to be an absolute thumper to put the effort in to go down
Yeah,
there.
it's a long way down.
Yeah.
All the way down here. We've decided this is our spot for last light. There's game trails for Africa coming out of the scrub all down here, and over here looks pretty nice as well. Stuck into a 25% less sugar sort of operation. We were just sitting up where Will was. We saw 2 bucks come down here sprinting, chasing each other. We've got the rifles. We're going to sneak down and see if we can get a shot. Like I said before, those chamois come sprinting down. Just had a good look at one in here. And he's bloody only got 1 horn, but the horn looks like it'll go 10 inches. So Cam and Will are there. Cam's never shot a chamois. See if he can drill it. I'm only 250 now, but there's nowhere for a shot. So they're gonna go. I wouldn't put another one in him, just leave him. He'll go. He's buggered.
I'll shoot him again if you want.
Absolutely wrapped that, eh?
It's a long chamois, mate.
Hell of a walk down there, though.
Good shit, man.
Cheers, mate.
First chamois on the deck. Looks like a doozy as well. Only the one horn, but shit, it looks long.
Bit of character, eh?
Shit, yeah, happy with that. Looked like it rolled a wee way, but
Yeah.
hopefully it's still got that horn. Bloody good. Oh well. We'll shoot up and grab Pete and yeah. Oh, yeah.
Pick him up. Oh yeah, he's a stud, man. That's cool. Spin around towards me. Oh yeah. Look at the length. Wicked.
Can't believe it, hey?
Yeah.
Throwing the tape over him. He's gonna piss in.
Holy hecka.
10 and 7/8.
Just look at that.
We photo session. Sun's going down. Monster buck on the deck.
Turn it like
We've got to get back up here somehow. We rock climbed our way down on adrenaline, but it's looking pretty shit. We might have to go back down here and up. It's going to be a long night. It's probably rock climbing up there. All the rocks is rotten, schisty shit.
it's all just falling apart.
Hard to climb. Another sham just popped up right beside us. Around my ankles, looked up on the skyline. Tar up there.
Oi! Get out of it, you little bugger. Got the little crampons on. But yeah, it's just slippery enough. We're heading over into here. Looking for some new gullies hopefully. That's some country. Wind's pretty bad, it's coming straight in. Try and get around here and hopefully that way it's blowing out the back. Looks good though.
Came up with some new rules.
We've got a rock off for the wee purple honey. Right. Rather than a scrap, we'll
Best
settle
of
it this
one.
way. Best of one, yeah.
Paper, scissors, rock.
Yes! Yes! You bastard.
Just got up to the top of the ridge here and found a good family group of chamois down here. I think there's 3 or 4 of them. Good to see. Hopefully pick up a buck in here somewhere as well.
No horns on any of them.
They've all got horn rock.
All 3 of them.
Seems to be a bit of that going on. We're sitting here for hours, nothing's happening. Couldn't see a bloody thing, and then all of a sudden we see a real mature bull tar. He just comes sprinting up this creek. Got the spotter set up. He's just gone behind a rock, but when he comes back out, we'll have a look. He's still all fully maned up. Had kidney stripes right back. I could see some horn, but it's too hard to call from that distance. But yeah, come from nowhere. We've glassed his face 100 times. And yeah, just glanced over and he was booting it up. Elwin, oh, I can see him well. He's gone way around to the left. Get the spotter on, have a look. Footage? Yeah. Not a bad session behind the glass this evening. Seen 3 deer, 5 or 6 tar, and 1 chamois. Sit here for another half an hour until it gets a bit dark, and then we've got to go up over this one, through here, and camps on the back side of that peak there. It's going to be a bit of a mission in the dark, but it's all good. Pretty keen on a feed. Just woken up on, what day is it? Sunday.
Day 3, Sunday.
Day 3. It's pissing down. Our tent's sort of, all our sleeping bags are soaking. We're going to wake up, go into the MIA, eat probably all our food for the next couple of days. And
Wait it out. 12 hours till last light.
yeah, we've got a long day of talking shit, but we'll be right. There's farming. Ugh. Bloody clagged in.
After spending the day in the tent yesterday, we got a few forecasts through on the inReach, and it's not really looking like it's going to provide much more opportunity to go for a hunt. So we've got a hold of the chopper pilot, and he's going to fly in as soon as this clag clears. So
If it clears, it might not.
we're just waiting around at the moment. The boys and I have just had some excellent news because the weather is shocking up here, but look at that.
Been picked up all day in the shit waiting for a clearing. We just popped over the ridge before. We decided it was too late to get picked up. We're gonna have a glass, and then we got the text. So come flying down, ready to go.
Absolute battle stations.
We're going home.
6 o'clock, and this is our last chance for the next 2 days to get picked up.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
got 2 days of shit coming, so we're away. straight to the pub.
Absolutely stoked.